This is the end of the basic alphabet A to Z. Having completed the 24 basic letters of the Tyap alphabet, we shall look at the other unique sounds in the alphabet used in dialects of Tyap with the ISO code KCG other than the Mabadodo dialect, that is the Tyap, which was used in writing the Tyap New Testament. A little reorientation. The Tyap language is a Plateau language spoken in the Nigerian Middle Belt. Tyap has the ISO code KCG, which consists of 7 dialects: Fantam, Gorok, Sholyo, Takat, Tyap, which is also the Tyap Mabadodo or the Tyap spoken in the Tyap chiefdom. Then we have Tiacharak and Tuku. Ju, which is another Tyapic language variety, has the ISO code